There, Lana. It's okay. Don't cry. Mommy's here. Oh, hello. Markov Yuri here, and today, I will talk about the longest sound effect, which is the 3-minute farting sound effect from Blue Light. It's from a video called BVACH Day. Vertical bracket JPACHAFART vertical bracket PLS. Don't watch if you don't like it. It was played on December 10th, 2022. The duration of the sound effect is 0:34 to 3:41. This sound effect is 3 minutes and 7 seconds long. The music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is only used when I poop in. I need to use the bathroom. Stay right there, Lana. I am going to test this out. I feel much better. That was the longest sound effect ever. Remember kids, make sure you use this sound effect for your bathroom break videos and remove the music at the beginning and end.